Located in the Lehigh Valley, Lutron manufactures over 16,000 products which it sells worldwide.
Lutron products can be found anywhere from your house to major buildings,
including the PPL Center, the White House, and the Statue of Liberty.
In order to figure out what's so cool about manufacturing,
you need to understand the people that work at Lutron.
My name is Christopher Good. I've been at Lutron for 19 years. Currently in my job, I oversee the production that happens at our Meadows facility.
Hi, my name is Evie Torres, and I've been with Lutron for 14 and a half years. Now I am currently leading lines and training people.
My name is Logan Comstock. I've worked at Lutron for 10 months, and now I am currently a technical assistant. My favorite part about Lutron is they really help back up your development. They're with you every single step of the way. Well, coming out of high school and from my previous job, I wasn't really sure what I still wanted to do, and then I came to Lutron, started building our products and working with them in the processes that we do, and it really helped spur my drive to go back to college.
The best part of my job is taking raw materials, working with a group of people, and making something that adds value to other people's lives. When I graduated high school, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. I decided to go to Lincoln Tech, and when I joined Lutron, it wasn't joining a job. I really started my career here. One of the biggest things that Lutron offers is quality across the company. Not just quality of our products, but also in the customer service experience that you get in dealing with field service, and that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
I started off through a temp agency, given the opportunity to join Lutron for a busy season that they had. And then I was able to put in an application, and I was hired through Lutron, the company. I like to get a lot of parts and just make them, put them together and build. I started the metals facility. I started picking and packaging products. From picking and packing, I've grown into building, assembling. 10 and a half years ago, I was looking for a job, and currently I have a career with Lutron Electronics.
Not just hired into a job, they hire you to fulfill a career, and that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
Lutron's investments in its employees make manufacturing cool.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.